In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write checks using QuickBooks Online. If you need to record a payment to a vendor or print a check directly from QuickBooks, this process is straightforward once you know where everything goes. The key is entering each detail carefully so your books stay accurate and your payment records are easy to track later. To get started, go to your QuickBooks Online dashboard and click the plus Create button, sometimes shown as plus New. From there, look under the Vendors section and select Check. This opens the check entry screen where you'll fill out all the payment information. First, choose the payee. This is the person or vendor you're paying. You can select an existing name from the drop-down list, and if the payee hasn't been added yet, you can choose the option to add a new one. It's a good idea to make sure the payee is correct before moving on, since this helps keep your vendor records organized. Next, choose the bank account the payment will come from. This should be the exact account the money is being withdrawn from, especially if you manage more than one business account in QuickBooks. After that, enter the payment date. This should match the actual date the check is issued or written, which is important for keeping your accounting records accurate. Then enter the check number. If you already wrote a physical check by hand, type in that check number so QuickBooks can track it properly. If you plan to print the check later from within QuickBooks, instead of entering a handwritten number, select the Print Later option. That tells the software to hold the check for printing. Now move down to the Expense Details section. In Category Details, choose the appropriate expense account for the payment. This is where you would assign costs like rent, utilities, or other general business expenses that are not connected to inventory items. If the purchase is for specific products or services from your inventory or item list, use Item Details instead. Choosing the correct section helps make your reporting cleaner and more accurate. You can also enter a memo if you want to leave a note for future reference. This part is optional, but it can be very helpful when reviewing transactions later. Then enter the payment amount, making sure the total is correct before saving. When everything looks good, click Save and Close if you're done, or Save Anew if you want to enter another check right away. If you selected the option to print checks directly from QuickBooks, follow the official Intuit Print a Check guide to make sure your printer alignment and check stock are set up properly. And that's how to write checks using QuickBooks Online.